Welcome to your quick guide on applying for a Dubai visitor visa online in 2025. Let's get started. The first step is visiting the official UAE visa website. This is where your journey begins. Next, select the visitor visa option from the drop-down menu. Simple and straightforward. Fill out the application form with your details. Accurate information is crucial. Upload necessary documents like passport copies and photographs. Ensure they're clear and recent. Finally, pay the visa fee securely online. Your Dubai adventure awaits. After payment, you'll receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your inbox. Track your application status through the same website for peace of mind. If you have queries, reach out to Visa Support for assistance. They're there to help. Enjoy your time in Dubai. Remember, preparation is key for a smooth travel experience. That's it. You're all set to explore Dubai. See you there. Thank you for watching. For more guides, be sure to subscribe.